So yeah, what's good everybody? It's a boy Kimo, and these are currently the accounts that I have on EPTH. If you still remember, I had this 10k account whereby I was almost in deep drawdown, but I managed to actually come back, right? As always, like I explained, my win rate here, those nights like this is because of the number of soft trades that I have. And sometimes I open too many positions on a single trade instead of like opening one. If you look at my equity here, I almost went to minus 8%, and judging by the stats at this point, my balance is 421. I actually closed few profits and on German 30, and then I'm gonna go to the German 30 charts and show you. Here my equity is 1757, mainly because I just opened few trades and I actually set a limit on this one, right? I also have a 25k account. I said I'm not gonna document this one, but I'm just gonna show it. Okay, I also have like 2 instant accounts. So on my instant accounts, my consistency is still like a bit high, especially on this one. The reason why it's like this is because I actually went into profits sometime looking at this number of trades, and then I went into losses on the 10k account. So my base day is like 90.41, mainly because I took a buy entry here on gold. I entered here and then I got out of here. I had this position, the same position on the 25k account, right? So my consistency needs to drop to 15, but I'm not in a hurry. I'm just gonna trade these accounts slowly, and then come back. So this one is the 25k account. I think I'm not sure if it's like the instant account or the stage one. Okay, this one is the stage one. Number of soft trades 771. No. Okay, yeah, that's the one. I need to make like 2,500, so my equity needs to be on 27,500 USD. But yeah, it's okay. This one is performing well, I don't want to lie. But then I took like a loss on JPY, mainly because I closed because I thought I'm gonna lose 5% in a day, and then it actually went into my direction the following day after holding for like a whole week. That's one thing I'm trying to avoid now. And if you look at my consistency here, it's still high also, right? I only have like number of 2 trades. I lost 1 trade and I made 1 profit. I made 1 loss and 1 win. Yeah, that's what I'm looking. That's the way I was looking for. So yeah, let's go to the chart. So I'm just gonna I said I'm gonna show German 30. German 30 I was on buys on the 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame, German 30 buys. So it's still consolidating. I entered at this point, it went into profits and went into profits again, and when it came back here I closed somewhere around here, and then it went back. But I think I had like a possible re-entry at this point, in as much as I didn't enter, but this is what I saw. But yeah, nonetheless, we move. I have this setup. This one I have like a perfect entry. Yes, this is my setup that I sent on this other video that but I actually entered here. I had a sniper entry. I entered here. I had a sniper entry. I'll show the screenshot. I'll attach it to the video. And then yeah, so I have another setup on Euro AUD. So I'm looking to catch this continuation of this leg here. This is what I'm looking for to take my entry. And then Euro CHF, I'm in here. also this leg, but if I do take a loss, it's okay. And I have the same entries on the 10k account and the 25k account, but then instead accounts I'm done trading them for the day, mainly because I need to keep my best day like at the profits that I made today. So because we took an entry here, we had like a minor change of character, took an entry here and then our profit there, but because at the same time we liquidated this high, I'm just gonna remove that Fibonacci zone there. We liquidated this high after taking profit here. I'm just gonna move my new target now. So here we had a break of structure. I said like this was a change of character right at this point. And if you're trading order blocks, supply and demand, you see this one was gonna fail, hence I use Fibonacci now. And at the same time, sorry, I'm keep on receiving messages on my phone. We have an imbalance here that is supposed to be filled by price, and I know during each agent session it might come to this point, right? So this is our imbalance, and then this trade will only be valid only if this high is respected and that low is respected. So in case whereby I'm just gonna continue looking at that was this high during the night. So let's say price breaks this high, I'm just gonna move my Fibonacci to the upside again, right? And then yeah, this is actually what I'm looking forward to have on the market. Price coming like this and going to the upside, I can actually move my take profit even higher, but because I'm trying to focus on the strategy, not trading emotions, I'll keep it as it is. But already I have like my buy setups. So yeah, don't forget to click that like button and subscribe. Follow me on social media platforms for more content. So yeah, this is the break down that I have on gold. And then I'll update my channel as time goes by. Okay, those now I'm receiving the notifications because like I'm about to have a meeting on Discord now. So yeah, the setup that I said I'm having a sniper in 24-hour. This is a trade on my 25k account. This is where I entered, and this is where I'm supposed to take my target. But if I make 2,500 USD before it gets to this zone, I'm gonna close and go to the second phase. And this is when I sent the setup on this video on the 8th of June. Sorry, my bad, I said the 6th, on the 8th of June. So yeah, see you in the next video.